Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Madhu, a registered dietitian, nutritionist, and my passion is Indian cuisine. I'm a working mom and a grandma, and I understand the value of wholesome foods, quick meals, and happy meal times. My expertise lies in home style, healthy, and authentic Indian cooking. I have taught home cooks and chefs how to cook real Indian food easily and effortlessly. Along with easy recipes, I will share cooking secrets handed down through the generations. Indian food is as much about health as it is taste. I'm a firm believer that healthy and tasty foods go hand in hand. I want everyone to enjoy Indian cooking. That is why I have a blog, Cooking with Madhu, packed with easy recipes, family stories, and nutrition information. You'll also find resources such as my cookbooks, New Indian Home Cooking, and the Indian Vegan Kitchen, along with healthy meal plans. I'm glad you found me, and I hope you'll stay in touch by sending me an email, a comment on the blog, or connecting with me on social media. Put on your apron, grab a few spices, and let's get cooking.